It has been a while since I've been out to shoot any sort of street photography, and with it being the run up to Christmas, I think now is the time to go out and shoot some. I've also been wanting to test out this black mist filter from K&F Concept, and like I just said, with Christmas being just around the corner, there should be some really cool Christmas markets on with really awesome lights. Basically perfect conditions to see how well this filter performs. For those that don't know what a black mist filter does, essentially it softens highlights, reduces contrast, it helps smooth skin and textures naturally, and adds a subtle film-like feel. Now these filters do come in different strengths. 1/8 is very subtle, 1/4 is very noticeable but very natural, 1/2 is very strong and cinematic, and for the final one being very strong and honestly hardly used. The one that I've been sent out and I'm going to be using today has a strength of 1/4. I'm pretty sure that strength is probably the most used and most common that most people get. How many times to kind of say most? Most. But with all of that said, let's get out and go and shoot some photos. And I am back home, and I can't lie to you guys, I think I may have fallen in love. This lens filter is awesome, and it has worked exactly the way I wanted it to during this photo shoot. Now I can't lie, I kind of wish I stayed a little bit longer to get a couple more photos. As you guys have just seen, there wasn't that many that I took, but the ones that I did took, I am pretty stoked with. Genuinely, this black mist filter has blown my mind. I think I'm gonna end up using it a hell of a lot throughout my photography and a hell of a lot throughout the videos that I make. In fact, that I'm using it right now to record this part of the video. I think I might struggle to actually take the filter off of on my camera. As for the Christmas market, like, I can't lie, I go nearly, for the past couple of years, I've been going every single year to go around to take some street photos. And it's one of the best markets in my sort of area. Now, I'm from Derby, as some of you may know, but this Christmas market is in Nottingham. The Derby one is not worth going to. Sorry, I love Derby. Derby's my home, but it is true. There's so many stores, there's so much food. As you guys have seen, that there's a massive Ferris wheel. There's a huge skate ring park thingy, whatever it's called. I've never actually been ice skating. Maybe I should go one day. I've always had that worry of slicing my fingers off, but do you know what? I feel like I'll be good at it. I just want to quickly shout out and thank K&F for sending me this lens filter. They did not ask me or tell me to say anything throughout this video. Everything that I have said, that is all genuine, all my thoughts, all my opinions, but I would not have been able to make this sort of video without them, so thank you, K&F Concept. If you do want to check out what they have in store, then make sure to use the link down in the description, and I'll also leave a discount code there. The discount will be on all of the products that they sell, and it also helps me and this channel out. I suppose every little helps. I am really starting to get in the Christmassy mood now, and I hope you guys are too. I suppose it's just a part of that time of year where that Christmas mood just kind of pumps you up a little bit throughout that winter time. Either way, I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and also turn on that notification bell, because when you do, you get notified every time I upload, so you don't miss a video. And also, not to forget, there is that new hype button, so if you haven't already, press that hype button. It helps smaller creators like myself on YouTube to like kind of pump up my videos a little bit, make YouTube spread them out to more people so more people can watch them. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Safe.